This YouTube channel gained over 70,000 subscribers with only 17 videos. This channel is posting mystery crime riddles. And let's be honest, everyone likes to solve a riddle. This videos is surprisingly easy to make, so stick around until the end. And this channel is making well over $5,000 per month. Let's look at an example video.
Only an overthinker can solve this riddle. This is the case of the rich man's murder. A man is found murdered on a Sunday morning. His wife calls the police, who question the wife and the staff and are given the following alibis.
First, we need a script. Go over to Google and search for mystery crime riddles. Now you will get a ton of websites providing you with riddles. Go to any of them and read some of the riddles. If you have found one that is interesting, copy the riddle and go over to ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to rewrite this riddle into a YouTube short script. You should start off with a strong hook, like, if you can solve this riddle, you should work with the FBI. Now paste the riddle and click generate. ChatGPT will rewrite this riddle in an engaging way. Copy the script and go to any notepad of your choice. Paste your script, and we want to remove everything except the script itself. Now ask ChatGPT to give you prompts you can use to generate high-quality images using Leonardo.ai for the riddle above. ChatGPT will now give you prompts you can use to generate images. I suggest that you come up with the prompts yourself, as you will be more specific and get better results. Go back to your notepad and copy your script, and head over to 11labs.io. This software will generate you a high-quality voiceover. Go to the voice library and browse through all of these voices. Now go back to create voiceover. Paste your script into the text box and click generate. Now we need visuals for our video. Go over to Leonardo.ai. This software will create high-quality images from a single prompt. Click on Image Generator and you will be redirected to this page. Leonardo will give you 150 credits for free every day, which is more than enough for a video. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first prompt. Now, paste the prompt into Leonardo.ai. Choose Dream Shaper V7. Make sure you select 4 for the total of images and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Now, click Generate. As you can see, these images is not so good, so I prefer that you come up with the prompts yourself. For example, create an image of an FBI agent doing an investigation in a school. As you can see, these images are looking way better than the ones generated with ChatGPT's prompts. Do this for all of the prompts. This will take time. You should change the prompt if you're not satisfied with the results. Now let's go over to video editing. Go over to CapCut. Insert the images you generated. Now add the voiceover. Make sure you place the images in the right order. Now we want to add captions. Don't worry, you don't have to type it all manually. CapCut have this cool feature where you can generate auto captions. Go over to the auto captions tool. Select any of these templates you like. Now click generate. Put the text in the middle of the video. Now you can play around with the font and colors of the captions. Last but not least, we want to add some animations. Go over to the animations tab. Select some of these animations you like. You should also add some effects, as this makes the video more engaging. Go to the video effects tab, browse through all of these effects and choose suitable effects for your video. Now click export and you are done.
We're so happy you stuck around till the end of the video. Your support really means a lot to us. Thank you for spending your time with us and being a part of our community. We can't wait to see you in the next one.